If I am saying, as far as the definition is concerned, open access is a broad international movement that seeks to grant free and open online access toward the academic information and publications and data in terms of the reports, in terms of the other kind of the publications. It means to say a publication defined open access when there are no financial, legal, and technical barriers. There are three terms which are being used. One, no financial liability, mean to say any kind of the charge is not being taken by anyone. Two, there is no legal hitch towards accessibility of the data. Anyone can access without the permission or the agreement of anyone who have published it. Or technical barriers, mean to say there is no technicalities are to be followed to get the access of that particular kind of the paper, document, report, database. That's why I'm saying, that is to say, when anyone can read, download, copy, distribute, print, search for and search within the information or use it in education or in any other way with the legal agreements. It means to say the open access publication is known as there is no financial liability, no legalities, no technical problems. However, it is necessary to get an agreement and to safeguard ourselves by utilizing any legal agreement if I am using this information for different purposes. Here is in case of the education, when suppose you are all the scholars, you are willing to access the elsewhere journals, Taylor Francis journals, Scopus journals from the website of the university. It means to say you can access openly that kind of the journal and you can read without any paying the fee. And there is no technicalities which are to be adopted. There is no login logout is required. That is technical barrier. No fees is to be charged from you to access that journal. That is financial. And there is no legal binding how many of the journals you are willing to download. You can download it. You can access it. But the point is that when you will utilize it, this information, the whole paper may be there, part of the paper may be there, part of the database may be there, or part of the document may be there. If you are utilizing it for the academic purpose, then only the citation is required, acknowledgement is required, no problem. But when you will get the access of the journal and download the document and you are willing to utilize or commercialize that document in form of the copy of the document, in form of the accessibility of the document. For example, I am taking an example. Suppose I have taken these definitions from a particular website, that is open access journals, and I am utilizing for the purpose of the commercialization of teaching, or as tutor I am teaching, then I have to take a legal agreement from that particular organization. If there is no commercialization, it is the free accessibility or the free use of these information, then okay, no problem, you can utilize it. It means to say if any kind of the commercialized used is there, then you have to follow such kind of the legal agreements. Otherwise, no. Moreover, another point is saying open access is a publishing model. Mean to say different kinds of the models are available in this regard. As I told you earlier, that different kind of the routes are there by which we can access, we can publish these documents, or we can access these kind of the information. Sometimes you can understand this model from the point of view of the publisher, not the point of the view of the readers. It means to say The open access is a publishing model for scholarly communication that makes research information available to the readers at no cost. As I told you earlier, that understand this topic from the point of view of the publisher. Why I'm saying it? Because of, if you are not able to understand this kind of the point of view, then we are not able to say what we have to explain. Therefore, I'm saying I am the publisher. I'm willing to publish my journal in the open access publication mode or open access publishing model. Then what I have to do? It means to say I have not to charge any kind of the fee from the readers who are accessing my journal online, or as opposed to the traditional subscription model in which readers have access to scholarly information by paying a subscription. It means to say the publisher have to charge or has to charge the fee for the purpose of the subscription of the journal, for the purpose of the open access. He or she will access the charge, or he or she will charge the fee from the university libraries, from the institutions, not from the reader. Hopefully you got my point, that any kind of the open publication is that where the readers has no any financial, legal, technical responsibilities. Number one. Number two, they can access each and every information for the purpose of the academic or the academia or the intelligentsia. But as and when we will use such kind of the information for the purpose of commercial use, then we have to make an agreement with the publishers. Number second, and the third also, the open access is publishing model. Different models are there. The traditional model is saying, okay, you have to charge the fee from the authors. That is article publication charge, APC. I will utilize this word APC. I will charge the APC from the scholars, authors, as well as the readers. Full article is to be given to anyone after charging it. Otherwise, I will not give the full download access. Here, from the point of view of these publishers, if the model is open access model, then no publisher will charge the fee from the reader as well as from the authors. Just they will charge this amount or the fee from the institutions, because of such kind of the open access publications are being subscribed by the different libraries of the different universities or different institutions. That's why I am saying that there is no financial liability of the reader. They can access such kind of the information free of cost. Up to this point, if any query, any question, you can ask. If no, just I continue. You got my point?
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, what are the advantages of these kind of the open access publication? The one of the most important advantage, different kind of the advantages are given, but one of the most important advantages of the open access is that it increases the visibility and reuse of the academic research results. Visibility mean to say anybody can access. And who will access? If he or she has the visibility or the capacity to be visible about that document. If this document is not available on the website or any form, then nobody can access. That's why it is necessary that we can access it easily. Another point, there is also criticism and aspect of the quality deserves extra efforts. Mean to say, if a paper, Mr. Harish Kumar has published a paper In open access journal, one of the person, maybe Mr. Kamal, what he has seen that okay, such kind of the document is okay, but some improvements, some modifications may be done. And through that particular email ID address, which is given with that paper, Mr. Kamal wrote to the editor of that journal that okay, this particular paragraph has the grammatical mistake. Please correct it. It means to say it is not the criticism. It is the mode of the improvement what we have got from the others. Because of that, but these two persons are very much keen to know what kind of the paper is being published and what the content is to be there. Mr. Hari is published, okay. Mr. Kamal found different points in that paper and he has submitted these points to the editor of that journal. Please correct it immediately. After the referendum or the corrigendum or the addendum, we will accept these modifications. It is another benefit. Because of the quality deserve extra efforts, and extra efforts may be brought or may be borrowed from different peoples. A different people, when they will give any kind of the information to us, the editor will recognize it and modify it. Another point, such kind of the benefits or the advantages are given for the open access publishing. Sometimes what happened, everywhere open access is not feasible possible. Some of the another organizations, sponsored funders, they came into that field and they create a body. Okay, we will provide the funds and please supply this information, provide this information, render this information to everyone free of cost. For an example, Berlin Declaration on Open Access to Knowledge in the science and humanities, a principle was accessible at that moment, and the declaration has been signed by different or the many international organizations for academic research, including all Dutch universities and research organizations. Nowadays, our university has made an agreement with the Wiley publications and other elsewhere publications, Scopus publications, Taylor and Francis publications. Why? Because of nowadays each and every university or the library of the each university or the institute, they are willing to access the information and they are willing to give the free access to their students so that the academic research may be improved, may be created, may be emerged as a flourish era as well as the flourish field. Why? Because of if there is no information is being shared, then we are not able to create another point of view. That's why it is necessary that each and every person must recognize the open access publishing sources and utilize these publication sources. Now, the another point, up to this, no query. Now, as we told earlier also, just I am reminding these roots. First one was golden, then diamond, then green. Double GD, short form GGD. Golden root, green root, diamond root. Under the golden root, there are two categories: full open access journals, hybrid journals. First one is full open access journals. What is the meaning of it? It means to say this route may involve a charge. The publication cost known as APC. In case of the golden route, whether it is full open, whether it is hybrid, the article processing charges are being charged and these are covered by the authors or by their institutions. What is its meaning? It means to say, suppose NASA Institute is there. NASA has invited 10 scientists, and these scientists have published a paper. They are willing to publish a paper. They have prepared this paper. NASA will pay to that journal, okay, these are my scientists, and nobody will charge from them, and I will give this amount to the Nature journal. Suppose the name of the journal is Nature. I will provide this fund to that Nature. No author will be charged at that moment. That is one aspect. It means to say, if I am willing to publish my document in any organization, my university is paying on the behalf of me to the journal. That is the fee covered by the editor, by the publisher from the institution. Or another point, if I will pay my fee to the journal and get it the published of that particular document. What is that? It is known as golden route. Person consent, mean to say author consent, or his or her institution will pay the fee for the purpose of publication. And that publication cost is known as article processing charges, APC. Most of the research funders support open access and willing to cover the cost themselves. Differently, open access journals are available on DOAJ website. It is also given to you already discussed. Directory of open access journal website is there, where from you can access those journals which are very much open. The minimum charges are there. These charges are known as APCs. Now, under the golden route, another point is hybrid journals. Up to this mark, there is no query.
No, sir.
Okay. Another point. In case of open access journal, under the golden route, the route is hybrid. What the hybrid is saying? Hybrid journal published via hybrid journals. These journals are subscription journals that
So there is
open
disturbance
access
in your voice, sir.
individual are taking.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Now is it okay?
No, sir.
Is there any problem?
Still there, sir.
Someplace. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Mal. Okay. Okay. Golden route under open access publication, hybrid journals are those journals where every kind of the charge, mean to say that is APC charge, is being charged from all the authors if the payment of the article is being done, then they will what they will publish, otherwise no.
Sir, it is still there.
Your voice is not clear.
Now audible? Anybody can give response.
So there are some
It's
disturbance.
not clear.
I hope it is visible and audible.
Yes, sir, it's audible now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what about the visibility?
Screen is not
Screen
visible,
is
sir.
not visible.
Okay. 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 What the point is going on? Golden route. First point. Point is full open access journal. Another one is hybrid. Now,
I
You are not audible, sir.
Hello? Anyone?
It's not clear, sir.
Voice is still breaking, sir. Yes or no? Anyone can give a response?
Yes, sir.
Sir, green is
Yes,
visible.
yes.
Voice is
Yes,
also
let me.
audible.
Okay. No. lose. Which say the substance that comes from July on or you can say particle or processing chart. Clear?
No, sir. Voice is breaking now.
Not clear, sir.
What